Welcome to the third Kollmorgen UK MPK 411 tutorial brought to you by Andy Cole. In this session I would like to explain more about the details and benefits of the diagnostics menu together with its submenus. Here we can see the operational status. This menu is of particular use as it shows the actual status of the lift car, noting there could be more than one operational condition active. In this example we can see the lift is now travelling. Also note the highest priority will always be shown at the top. Here we will see the menu terminal status. This menu will show which controller CAN open modules are actively available and also showing which ones will be inactive. The menu is divided into three submenus, these being the module map, the safety circuit and the remote control function activation. Here we can see the menu MPK module map. Clicking on the module map tab, you will see all programmable functions that have been allocated to the respective IOs, if they are active or inactive, which will help you analyse these functions. Moving on to the CIM module, again you will see the status of the respective IOs. This can be very useful if you wanted to look at the status of the car door operator. In this example, we can look at the door open and close commands. Together with the door open and limit positions. All this functionality is available without having to gain access to the lift car. Now to the safety circuit. Here we can see the 6 controller safety circuit inputs, these being from U1 up to U6, noting it also shows the actual functional name. In this example, the lift is travelling and will be coming into a floor. Now the doors have opened and we have lost the safety circuit on U4, 5 and 6. The doors will close and now they reactivate these inputs, as can be seen. Next I would like to discuss the DCP menu. DCP meaning a serial communication between the inverter and the controller. Here you will see 4 submenus. The first menu being control signals. Within this menu we will recognise the information being generated from the controller to the drive inverter and information from the drive inverter back to the controller. This can be shown with the speed command as present set at V4 and next directional output coming on, which will then show you the travel, the condition of the brake and whether the speed is above 0.3 meters a second. Communication is always flowing between the two devices, but this is a good opportunity to make sure you can physically see any commands being present. We now move on to the connection quality tab. This is basically to allow you to see you have got a good signal strength. In this case we are 100%, which is as to be expected. We now move on to the drive protocol information page. This is a basic information chart explaining which manufacturer of drive that the DCP communication is successfully finished and communicating, and what type of protocol, whether this is DCP3 or DCP4. And finally we have the DC communication logging. And finally I'd like to introduce you to the See Give Calls menu. Here you will see 6 submenus. First one being the current floor position, followed by the direction the lift is travelling, if it is available to travel. The See Give Calls menu program. Clicking on here, you can activate your actual calls. This could either be a car call, a landing call, or maybe a special VIP call. We also have the additional functions to place a top floor terminal car call or a bottom floor terminal car call. The last menu in this submenu is simulation call program. This is very useful for commissioning procedures where you can place random car calls for a set period of time. In this example, we are shown as 20 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. If you require any more information on Kollmorgen products, please look up the Kollmorgen website. This can be found at www.kollmorgen.de.